Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make French toast for breakfast. Let me show you how I make my French toast. So into the bowl I'm going to put 2 eggs. Beat this for a while. Slightly beat this. Pour in 1 cup of milk. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix all this together. So now we're going to heat the pan up on low flame. We're going to put in a little bit of butter. So now I'm going to take a few slices of bread. I'm going to dip this in the batter. And place them right on the pan. And we wait for this to turn slightly brown. And then we'll flip it over. Okay, so now we flip this over. Okay, so it is done. We remove it. And we repeat the process again. Now we flip this over. And then we're going to remove this. And this is how we're going to enjoy it. We sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top. And we just squeeze the lime or lemon that you have on top of it. The sweet and tangy taste of the lime makes this French toast so perfect. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section below how it turned out on your side. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more simple meals. Happy cooking and bye for now.